everyone, this is Keisha Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin your action video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. Without further ado, let's all watch this. Tignan natin ito kung ano yung mga videos dito. Ay, ano to?
Belle and Donnie, I feel like ever since they've always had natural chemistry.
Mas okay nga yun kasi yung parang forced na
Pinag-usapan nila.
Alam mong
lovey-dovey para
patunayan.
Saka masarap din talaga makapair yung mga kasundo mo.
Oh. Okay. Ay, ano na naman to? Hi, Belle. Ano yun? Ayan, adik ako dyan. Tsaka, hindi pala talaga siya, no? Pinanood ko ang video niya na yan. May lambing talaga siya. Hello, Belle. Gwapo ni Donnie. Ay! Sino yung guy? Mga bablis? Ganda ng boses ni Belle, no? Hello, Belle. Adik na adik siya. Hello, Belle. Ganda ni Belle. Ay, nakikita ko po kayo. The support. The support, no? Hi! Saan to? So, hindi na muna ngayon nakikita si Belle and Donnie? Siguro, I mean, the projects, wala sila mga ganap, endorsement. The videos never fades talaga. Napaka-iconic talaga. Ay, kaya dito ka. Napaka-iconic talaga dito. Si DJ Noko, gwapo niya. Grabe, si Donnie pinakamatangkad. Hala, kinuha niya talaga si Belle. Ganyan ba talaga dapat? Okay, what's next? Ay! Parang baby talaga si Donnie. Baby talaga si Donnie.
Feeling ko kasi I've known him for...
Alam mo, napanood ko na tong video na to. Pero parang tuwing napapanood ko siya, parang may mga iba-iba akong
sabi ko,
napapansin na mga galaw.
Kilala ko na siya. So, parang, yun nga, it's either bigyan mo na food or like, just, minsan kapag walang taping chair na dala, I give him my taping chair, I'll use it first.
You bring two, diba?
I bring two sometimes.
What's that food na pag binibigay mo kay Donnie, instantly smiles?
Anything.
Anything.
Grabe, pinagmukha mo naman akong parang patay gutom dito.
Patay mo. Ay!
Magugulat ka, nasa set kami, mga nasa 1 a.m. Sabi niya, Jeff, di ka magsinigang. Anong oras na kakain ka?
Pero lahat kakain. And we always say communication is like one of the biggest things talaga. Especially when you're part of something for so long.
Okay.
You know, you see yourself as teammates, not enemies. I think that's very important. So when I affirm stuff or when I tell her na, hey, we're in this together, you know, we're a teammate here.
Nilambing niya talaga.
When she does the same too, it really does a lot for the both of us. And
Hala.
it boosts our morale and
Boosts the
makes sure we're
morale.
ready to, you know, go through any scene or
True.
fight for whatever we both want to fight for.
But yeah, I would agree. Siguro words of affirmation and quality time.
Quality time. Quality time naman pala for today's video.
I think I'm
Words of affirmation din yan eh.
Ay, talaga? Okay, next natin. Ay, alam ko na, Dawn Bell interview, search natin yung Dawn Bell interview. Kasi nakakamiss sila eh. Yung mga interview nila, mga titigan nila. Tingnan natin. Ay, ito na to.
Ito, nagulat ako dito. Has no red flags. Eh, di green flag ka na kung wala kang... Has no red flags? Is that a red flag?
You know what I think that means?
Too good
Ano?
to be
No
true.
one can be 100% green.
Oh.
Slight red, if ever.
Matalino talaga sila, ano. Tama nga naman.
If you're too good to
Tama
be
naman.
true,
I couldn't agree
there's
more.
something yan. Di ba
Oo.
imposible may tao
That's
bang na...
why.
Tudo. Ay, bakit nawala yung internet natin? Kung kailan Gina G ako, naka-ready ako eh. Oh.
Ito, nagulat ako dito. Has no red flags. Eh, di green flag ka na kung wala kang...
Oo.
Eh, di green flag ka na kung walang red flag. Ganun ba talaga yun? Anyways, let's next. Ay, ano to? Wait lang.
Ka na kung wala kang
Tapusin natin to.
Has no red flags? Is that a red flag?
You know what I think that means?
Too good to be
Kasi
true?
no one can be 100% green.
Green.
I think some will have slight red if ever, if anything. Kasi if you're too good to be true, may something yan.
True.
Posibleng may tao
That's
bang
why.
na...
True. That's why.
For you,
That's why.
you consider it like,
Nag-agree
that's easy for a friend or a person.
Ang Bel, ang cute ni Bel.
For someone to say
That's why. Ang cute talaga
he
yun.
has no or she has no red flag.
Si Donnie, malambing siya. No? Pero pag magsalita siya,
'Cause why would
very
you
firm talaga,
be
no?
so out and about na, oh, hindi,
Yeah.
ako, okay, ako, wala.
Yeah.
Yung ganun palang problema na yun kasi parang...
Ang
wow,
cute ni Bel.
Lahat naman tayo may
Ito.
pagkukulang, di ba?
Wait, nagugulo po ako.
Nagugulo.
Nagugulo ako. Kasi sa atin ba to or sa ibang tao?
Both,
Ay!
I don't know.
I don't
Oo.
know.
think
But
it's both.
yeah, I don't know. Kayo, comment nyo guys.
Comment nyo, makakapamilya, no? At
Ha-
babasahin
has
natin
no
yung
Sa
red
team
flags.
natin na walang red flag.
Kayo guys, may red flags ba kayo? Feeling ko lahat tayo may red flags, pero depende kung gaano ka major or ka minor.
I think everyone has red flags.
Totoo
Yung
yun.
mga
True,
acceptable
true,
at hindi
true.
acceptable red flags.
Exactly.
Exactly the point.
Feeling
Ay,
ko love language ni Donnie is
Ano?
words of affirmation. The way you affirm and speak to Belle.
yes. Actually, I couldn't agree more.
I think it's one of. We always say communication is like one of the biggest things.
Ngayon ko lang to
especially
napanood
when
ah.
you're part of something for so long and, you know, you see yourself as teammates, not enemies. I think that's very important. So when I affirm stuff or when I tell her,
I think you love her. Just,
hey, we're in this together, you know.
kulang lang sabihin niya, yes, I do love her.
I think when she does the same too. It really does a lot
Ani Dora.
for both of us, and it boosts our morale and,
And boost her morale.
you know, go through any scene or fight for whatever we both want to fight for.
Would you agree na words of affirmation ang love
Mm.
language?
Parang lahat naman.
Ay,
Oo,
grabe.
actually,
Grabe.
Guys, lahat tayo may qualities ng lahat ng love languages. Depende lang kung anong nangingibabaw, right?
True.
Kasi sometimes, acts of service,
Truly.
gifts, depende lang. But yeah, I would agree. Siguro words of affirmation and quality time.
Quality time.
Si Belle naman, anong love language is
I talk a lot. I think I'm talking.
Yeah. Words of affirmation din yan eh.
Oh, it's a
She's the
affirmation.
type of person who could talk for
All
hours
day.
and not be tired.
Grabe.
I really want to have that trait.
Cutie! Siguro kahit antok na antok si Danny, nakikinig pa din siya kay Vel. What do you think, no?
Which is normal. Quality time din eh. Quality time din. Bakit?
Cutie.
Nangingiba ka ba? You think? Na nangingibabaw? I think those two din.
I don't know.
Okay, anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Dawn Bell. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!